So with all the gymnastics and the swimming and the volleyball and the taekwondo and these other sports now dominating the action in Tokyo, we anxiously await the start of the real Olympics. We all know that it is when the athletics begin that most Jamaicans will be locked into the Olympics, because that is where we're expecting to have the bulk of our medal success. In fact, all of my predicted 13 medals for Jamaica are in track and field. Yes. I did say 13 medals, specifically 2 for the men, Dancehall Gale for silver in the long jump, and a bronze for the 4x4 relay. And of course, 11 for the women, 3 in the 100, and 3 more in the 200. So that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then a silver for Shanika Ricketts in the triple jump, and a bronze for Stephanie Ann McPherson in the 400. And then 3 relay medals, gold and world record in the 4x1, bronze in the 4x4, and bronze in the mixed relays. So actually, it's 2 medals for the men, and 10 for the women, and 1 in the mixed relay. Total 13 medals for Jamaica, easily. The most credible medal prediction you can find anywhere in the world. Not too optimistic and not too pessimistic, totally realistic. Call this prediction the Mavericks Lucky 13. Lucky 13.